Hey there, welcome back to our Healthy Life channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious mango and banana smoothie that's not only easy to prepare but also bursting with tropical flavor. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast, a refreshing snack, or a post-workout treat. Mangoes and bananas blend beautifully together, creating a creamy texture and a naturally sweet taste that you're going to love. Plus, they're both packed with essential vitamins and minerals that will give you an energy boost. So, gather your ingredients, and let's dive right into this refreshing recipe that will transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise. Now, let's prepare the banana for our smoothie. First, take a ripe banana and peel it. Once it's peeled, we'll cut the banana into small pieces. Cutting the banana into smaller pieces makes blending easier and helps achieve that creamy texture we're after. Plus, it allows the flavors to mix beautifully with the mango. Bananas are not only delicious, but also packed with potassium, fiber, and essential vitamins, which will add a great nutritional boost to our smoothie. Now that we have our banana chopped up, we're one step closer to blending this tasty treat. Peel away the skin, and you'll notice how bright and creamy the flesh is inside. Next, we'll cut the banana into small pieces. Cutting the banana into smaller chunks not only makes the blending process easier, but it also helps ensure that the banana is evenly distributed throughout the smoothie. This way, you get that delightful creaminess in every sip. Bananas are amazing additions to our smoothie for several reasons. They are rich in potassium, which is vital for heart health and helps regulate blood pressure. They also provide dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. A great aid if you're watching your weight. Now that we have our banana prepared, let's move on to the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is another vibrant and nutritious addition to our smoothie. First, we'll wash the dragon fruit under running water to ensure it's clean. Carefully cut the dragon fruit in half to reveal its stunning white or pink flesh speckled with tiny black seeds. Using a spoon, scoop out small pieces of the flesh. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. Now that we have our banana and dragon fruit cut and ready, let's move on to preparing our portable blender. We love using this portable blender because it's incredibly convenient and versatile. First, it's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for those busy mornings when you're on the go. Whether you need to whip up a quick breakfast before heading out or a refreshing smoothie at your desk, this blender does the trick. Another great feature of this portable blender is that it usually comes with a rechargeable battery, so you can blend your ingredients anywhere, whether you're traveling, at the gym, or enjoying a picnic. You don't have to be tied to an outlet, which opens up a world of possibilities. Also, many portable blenders have powerful motors that can handle fruits, vegetables, and ice, delivering a smooth consistency without the need for a full-sized blender. They're also easy to clean. Just rinse it out or toss it in the dishwasher. Let's get our ingredients into the blender and make this smoothie. Simply add our banana pieces and dragon fruit into the blending cup, and we'll be ready to create a delicious and nutritious drink. All right, let's get started with blending our delicious mango and banana smoothie. We've prepared our ripe banana and vibrant dragon fruit, and now it's time to turn these beautiful ingredients into a refreshing drink. First, we'll add our chopped banana pieces to the blender. As we discussed earlier, bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and proper muscle function. They also provide natural sweetness without added sugars, making them a great base for our smoothie. Next, let's add the small pieces of dragon fruit. This stunning fruit is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which plays a vital role in supporting our immune system. The antioxidants in dragon fruit help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Now that our key ingredients are in, let's pour in 1 cup of milk. This could be dairy or a plant-based alternative, like almond or oat milk. Milk adds a creamy texture to our smoothie, and is an excellent source of calcium for strong bones and teeth, as well as protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. We also like to include a bit of yogurt to enhance the creaminess and add probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote gut health, aiding in digestion and helping to maintain a healthy balance in our digestive system. This is particularly important for those who may struggle with bloating or digestive discomfort. Now, let's secure the lid on our portable blender and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. As we blend, let's talk about how this smoothie can support your weight loss journey, as well as overall health. The combination of fiber from the banana and dragon fruit helps in keeping you full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods later in the day. The low-calorie nature of both dragon fruit and banana makes this smoothie a fantastic choice for maintaining a healthy weight. Moreover, this smoothie is a nutrient-dense option that delivers vitamins and minerals in a fun and delicious way. With its tropical flavor profile, it makes healthy eating enjoyable and accessible. Consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables can help ensure your body receives a wide range of nutrients essential for optimal health. And there you have it, a beautifully blended mango and banana smoothie. Not only is it visually stunning, but it's also packed full of health benefits. This smoothie will energize your day while providing you with essential nutrients to support your body and health goals. Now, let's pour in 1 cup of milk. This could be dairy or a plant-based alternative like almond or oat milk. Milk adds a lovely creaminess to our smoothie and is a great source of calcium for strong bones and teeth, as well as protein, which is vital for muscle repair and growth. We can also include some yogurt to enhance creaminess and introduce probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial for gut health and digestion, promoting a healthy microbiome that can ease bloating and discomfort. As we blend, it's important to mention that this smoothie not only supports your health, but also helps maintain weight loss. The fiber from both the banana and dragon fruit keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing cravings and the need to snack on less healthy options. It's low-calorie. Thank you so much for joining us today to create this delicious mango and banana smoothie with dragon fruit. If you enjoyed this video and found the recipe helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us know what content you love and want to see more of. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below to let us know how your smoothie turned out or if you have any other favorite smoothie recipes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Spreading the love for healthy recipes helps us all on our wellness journey. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and health tips. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy blending.